Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today, I will be sharing with you my fall office tour and updates. I love my space here. Love lighting a candle and being surrounded by beautiful things as I work. I have purchased a few things to make my space that more comfortable. As you can see here, this stand remained. I had it in my last office tour. I just placed a gold pumpkin on the top shelf, rearranged decor here and there, but I love this small table that I had thrifted. $5, guys. The Daybed, I just removed pretty much a couple of pillows off of there. This is where my college son sleeps when he comes home. And guys, look at this artwork created by yours truly. These were the paintings that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby. Really clashed with it, so I said, okay, I will paint over them. Had that Z Gallery feel I was looking for, and I love this, even though it's the yellow and the gray. I love it. Did it myself, guys. This wall here behind my desk area stayed the same. Love the bling sconces and this beautiful chandelier picture from Burlington's. On my sofa table behind my desk, I kept it simple. I just added these yellow roses. The mirrored box stayed there, holding a lot of my items that I love to use. And this file folder holder, remember the folders were black. I just took some contact paper from where? The Dollar Tree, and covered them. I had a hard time finding gray folders, so did it myself. DIY, guys. Those yellow roses remind me of my mom. The lamp stayed, that was a thrifted find too. And this @ sign, of course, Dollar Tree. These storage ottomans came from Hobby Lobby. They hold small event decor. I know exactly where my items are. Now on my desk, I have this Burlington pumpkin. Love these pumpkins. I love the details on them. Had to bring that fall in. That clock came from Target. Love it because it has that gray and white marble effect. The phone holder, cell phone holder, was gold, but it was a gold that was not helping my decor any, so I painted it silver. And this planner here, I won off of a IG page. Now my laptop, guys, you know my laptop is red, so yeah, your girl covered it too and placed my bling around it. No damage, guys, because the contact paper pulls off easily, and I just added those stickers there with my initials from Hobby Lobby. This orchid remained on my desk in this little tray here. Nothing changed there. Have my business cards and this little pineapple. My favorite mug that I love to drink out of upstairs here, and my glasses, y'all. Love those glasses. Now my desk is a glass desk from At Home. It's not too big, not too small. It's just right. But my newest item is this beautiful chair that I ordered off of Amazon. I was searching high and low for that diva chair, and I found it. This is how it looks before. I had it up on the daybed because I couldn't leave it plain like this, guys. Changed the legs on it. Added the bling. The bling I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Here are the legs that I used. I picked those up from Home Depot. I sprayed them with the Rust-Oleum Silver metallic paint. But I love the look of this office chair, or the Diva's throne. I love a tufted anything, guys. And when I see things tufted, I think automatically bling. So I placed my pillow, my pumpkin pillow, which I only found one of last year. Wish I could find another one, but I placed it in this chair. Now my bookcase pretty much stayed the same. I'm still adding items to it, slowly but surely. In my boxes there from IKEA. The only thing that I did add up here was this storage unit here from Hobby Lobby. Regular price, it was $24.99, and then I got it for $6 and some change, guys. And I just placed that gold sequence pumpkin on top. And I have scrapbook paper in that holder there. Now this area gets tricky because of the window here, but this area changed somewhat. I placed a tray table here, if you can recall. This tray table I picked up from Home Goods. Fell in love with this tray table because of all the bling going around it. Have my orchid, yellow orchid there. A little lamp that I did a review on. My candle, as well as this yellow pineapple. Guys, can you tell I love the pineapples? They're all over this office. And of course my yellow and white chairs. Now this memo board was a gift from Miss V. She gave me a gift card and I went out and purchased this. And I placed, here we are again, pineapple tacks on this memo board in gold that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And have my hooks there below that memo board. And then to the right I have my initials. I'm going to get a S so I can have all of my initials there. The K was gifted to me from Christy C. This area here over my TV, did not replace it yet. I'm waiting on that Christmas sale, y'all. I moved my curio up here. That was there last time. And Christy C, she gave me that cord cover because I do not like to see cords or wires. They drive me crazy. But yes, I love this cord cover. And they just Velcro together. The vase was there already. That picture frame there is something I brought up. And my bling pumpkin there. Still kept it simple. I also changed the knobs on this curio here. Had to have them mirrored, guys. Mirrored knobs, some sparkle with this curio. And those knobs I got from Home Goods. Here's the before with the knobs. And here's the after. Love this look so much better. The rug did not change. It was an Amazon find. Everything that I'm bringing up, guys, I will have it in my description box down below. And this did not change either, my pineapple picture that I purchased a while ago from Family Dollar. I'm just panning over because this wall has 3 doors, guys. 2 to a closet and 1 to a bathroom that's in this room. But the piece that I love the most is this chandelier. It is a chandelier with a ceiling fan. Love this light fixture. Now guys, did you notice something on my desk? That pumpkin, well, I have an extra one. So right now I am going to do a giveaway. And I'm going to keep it simple. First, you must be a subscriber to my channel. You must be 18 years of age or older. And you must be a U.S. resident. Lastly, in the comment section below, comment Diva's Fall Office Tour. This giveaway will be open for 1 week and it will close October 17th, 2018 at midnight. So good luck to everyone that enters the giveaway. Now I asked all of my Diva family members to give me names for my space. And I don't know if you saw this frame here, but the name of my space is Diva's Chateau. Guys, thank you so much. You guys made this so much fun. But I love my space. I love the Diva's Chateau. Well, that is the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.